appellant, for the petitioner.
Petitioner, sir.
For the petitioner, comma, with consent from the other side, list this matter after 2 weeks on a date
Yeah,
to be fixed by the registry.
Thank you.
Call the list. Yes, Mr. Bora. Transfer from where to where?
From Mongoldoy to Kamrup. Actually,
Why?
Because no jurisdiction, Lordship. The defender.
No jurisdiction?
No jurisdiction of Mongoldoy. Because
Is that a ground for transfer?
yes, 24 to section 24(5). May I read?
Yes.
24, general power of transfer and withdrawal. 24(5), Lordship. A suit or proceedings may be transferred under this section from a court which has no jurisdiction to try it. Lordship, I am the defendant in the that suit.
Yes.
Now I reside in Mongoldoy. The cause of action also arises in Mongoldoy. As per section 20 of the
What is the suit for?
suit is actually for, Lordship, it's a for a divorce proceeding. Lordship,
When is
would
the
see-
next date?
next date, Lordship, in the summons at page 11, it's 16, next is 16 February, I think in the next month, Lordship. We are not sure about it, the next date.
I believe you want a stay
Yes,
and you are not even aware when is the next date.
next date, yeah.
And then I'll only issue notice.
Lordship,
You must be aware of all the facts if you want an order from this court.
yes.
Heard
Lordship-
Mr. B.P. Bora, learned counsel for the petition.
Lordship, we are giving the next
Stop.
date. We are giving the next.
Try and find out. Stop. This is an application under section 24, read with section 151 of the CPC 1908 for transfer of FC Civil number 1522 of 2023 pending before the Family Court Kamrup M to the District and Session Judge Court Darang. On the ground of no jurisdiction,
No jurisdiction.
on the ground that the Family Court at Kamrup M lacks jurisdiction to try the said suit. Stop. Issue notice, returnable 4 weeks, registered post AD within a period of 1 week from today. List after 4 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Lordship,
Yes. Next matter. Yes, you're appearing in this.
yes.
The maintenance.
Yes, Lordship. It's a order under section 24 of the Hindu Marriage Act. We are not against the quantum, Lordship. Quantum is small, so we are not against the quantum. What we are against is that the order has been obtained by totally suppressing material fact, because we in that petition we have to give a statement of assets and liabilities. In the assets and liabilities, she is an LIC agent, she has a beauty parlor, everything is there, but everywhere in the income details, or she have not even provided the bank details in the statement of assets, Lordship. Yeah.
Where is the impugned order?
57. 57 is an impugned order.
What is the amount? You are the husband?
Yes. At page 62 is the operative part.
Yes.
It's
5,000.
5,000. 5,000 under it is given for maintenance during the pending proceedings.
All right,
what-
I am only issuing notice, Mr. Bora. Heard Mr. B.P. Bora, learned counsel for the petitioner, stop. This is an application under Article 227 of the Constitution of India, read with 151 of CPC, assailing the judgment and order dated 10/6/2024, passed in Miss J case number 13 of 2023, within bracket, arising out of TSD case number 06 of 2023. Stop. Issue notice, returnable 4 weeks. Steps by registered post AD within a period of 1 week from today. List after 4 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Lordship, item number 1 is 411, Lordship. I am not seeking any interim order.
You missed the bus, Mr. Bora.
Yes.
Item number 4.
Yes, Mr. Agarwal.
Yes, may I please be below. Lordship, this is for
Enhancement.
and this shifting of the liability to
173.
the insurance company. Shifting of the liability to the insurance company. This is preliminary matter of a motorcycle. Lordship.
All right, Mr. A.R. Agarwala, learned counsel for the petitioner, stop. This is an appeal under section 173 of the MV Act 1988 against the judgment and award dated 26/6/2024, passed by the MACT Dhubri in MAC case number 22 of 2018, within bracket 1. For enhancement, right?
For enhancement and
enhancement
shifting
of
of the
the
liability to the
awarded
insurance company.
amount. Stop. Admit, issue notice, returnable 4 weeks. Registered post AD within a period of 1 week from today. Let the case records from MACT Dhubri be called for. List after 4 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. Much obliged.
We have not received a copy of the memo 18.
You have not received.
No.
Give him. I'll fix it on Tuesday.
Yes, my lord. My lord, I want to say something.
Mr. M. Datta, Learned Counsel, appearing on behalf of respondent number 1, submits that a copy of the memorandum of appeal has not been furnished to him. Let the same be furnished by the Learned Counsel, Mr.
B.R. Das.
Mr. B.R. Das, to so and so. List this matter again on Tuesday,
My lord, 6 September.
on 6/9.
Okay.
Yes, Mr.
Lordship, this is
Saikia.
a statutory appeal, Lordship. We are challenging the quantum, Lordship. 2 vehicles are involved in this accident. Charge is
You are pressing your IA today or
Lordship, we are pressing IA, Lordship.
today?
Yes.
Yes, on what ground?
Lordship, 2 vehicles are involved, Lordship, in this accident. But charge is also filed against both the vehicles, Lordship. But we are held liable to the extent of 75%, Lordship. So our contention is that the other vehicle was parked on the wrong side, and Lordship, accident took place due to fault of that vehicle. But if we are held liable, we cannot be more than 50%.
Are you prepared to pay
Lordship, something, Lordship, we are ready to pay, Lordship.
50%?
50%
What is
of
the-
our liability.
What is the awarded amount?
18 lakhs something, Lordship.
If you are paying 50%, then I will stay. Otherwise, I'm issuing just notice.
Lordship, we are paying, depositing 50% of our liability.
There is no system of bargaining on this, Mr. Counsel. This is an ex-party stay that you are seeking for. Likha. Heard Mr. AJ Saikia,
Yes.
Learned Counsel for the appellant. Stop. This is an appeal under section. This is an appeal under section 173 of the MV Act 1988 against the judgment and order dated 24/5/2024, passed by the MACT Nagaon, Assam, in MAC case number 98 of 2021. Pertinent that the statutory deposits has been deposited before the registry of this court. Stop. Admit, issue notice, returnable 10 respondents,
Yes, sir.
returnable 4 weeks, registered post AD within a period of 1 week from today.
12, Lordship.
Sorry,
12.
1 week from today, and call for the records from the MACT Nagaon List after 4 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. In the IA also, you issue notice. Yes. IA to 2. Okay.
I have not served with the memo for appeal.
How come this is
Delay
item
was
7?
found. Delay was found. Thereafter, it was supposed to be served for memo.
Mr. Adhar, learned counsel for the respondent submits that the copy of the appeal memo has not yet been furnished to him. Stop. Let the same be furnished by Mr.
D. Nandi.
My lord,
My
by
name is
Mr.
not shown there.
D. Nandi.
D. Nandi.
D. Nandi, learned counsel for the appellant. List after 2 weeks.
My lord.
List after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Obliged.
Deeply.
Your name is not shown.
Not shown.
Registry to reflect the name of Mr. D. Nandi, learned counsel, appearing on behalf of the appellant in the cause list.
Obliged.
Deeply.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, in this case, we could not collect the correct address of respondent number 11.
13, 17, 22,
Yes,
and
yes,
25.
yes. May I pray for, my lord, you may be allowed to make paper
All right.
publication, ma'am.
Your name?
SK Chakravarti.
My lord, some time may be some time limit may be granted
Mr.
because
Bhattacharjee, you are for the
for the
respondent.
state respondent.
Yes.
1 to 3, because there is a
All right, Mr. Bhattacharjee, this is
they're encroaching some land of the state.
correct, but the notices has to be served.
Yes, yes. Some
Can the court
time
proceed?
some
Can
time
the court
limit
proceed
may be,
without serving the notices?
no, some time limit may be.
You have heard the submission, they're not being able to collect the address.
Yes, yes.
What can be done?
Yes, but
Alternative mode
from
of service has to be
2019 is already
adopted.
going on, my lord. That is the thing.
Have you filed any affidavit of service stating your inabilities to
No,
serve?
no, no, my lord.
Is it reflected anywhere in the
Order,
office
order,
notes?
it is there, my lord. Last order on 17/7/23, my lord.
No, but you see, the last order of the office appears that you have not taken the fresh steps despite the repeated directions of the previous Lawazima court.
No, but that is, my lord. My lord, let's see the last order of the court, my lord.
Why don't you file an affidavit? Unless you file an affidavit
We'll
of service.
file an IA then, my lord.
No, you don't need to file an IA. You may file an affidavit,
Yes, my lord.
or you do file an IA, whatever.
Yes.
Your name?
SK Chakravarti.
Mr. S.K. Chakravarti, learned counsel for the appellant, 1 week time to file necessary application in order to file 2 weeks time to obtain instruction as regards service in respect of respondent numbers 11, 13, 17, 18, 20, 22, 24, and 25 in view of the fact that their addresses could not be collected till date. Prayer allowed, list after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
I'm appearing for
Obliged.
respondents 1 to 3.
All right.
My lord, I appeal
Yes,
for
Mr. Bhumik.
respondents number 2 to 7.
2 to 7.
Yes. I
Total how many
understand.
respondents?
The 8 respondents. No, there are 7 respondents.
So who's
I
for
understand
one?
respondent number 1 has expired.
One's expired.
There's an office note to that effect.
Have you taken any steps?
Lordship, we came to know today itself the respondent number.
So you
1.
do the needful.
Absolutely.
It is submitted at the bar that during the pendency of the revision petition, comma,
In
the
fact, if I'm
respondent.
permitted to say so,
Yes, Mr. Owe.
respondent number 1 has expired much earlier.
No, but this information has come now, correct? Before the court
Yes.
has expired. Stop. Mr. P. Bhomik, learned counsel for learned counsel enters appearance for respondent numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 by filing wakalatnama. Stop. Mr. Your name?
N. Brahma, Lordship.
And Brahma, learned counsel for the petitioner, seeks 2 weeks time to obtain instruction in the matter. Prayer allowed, list after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
My lord, this appeal is filed only for the order dated 15/9/2023, whereby
ইয়াত কিয় পঠাইছে তাৰ ওপৰত মই জাজমেণ্টটো কৰিম বুলি কৈছিলো নহয়
yes, my lord, I am challenging only order of 15/9/23, whereby the London MSCT Tribunal rejected the restoration petition.
why is this mac appeal before this court today?
My lord, initially this case was dismissed for default due to the COVID-19. We had not get the date
Mr.
fixed.
Counsel, when matters are listed for orders, please please address the court as regards why the matter is listed for order.
Admission.
Have you seen the last office note? You're not even aware what is the status. Office note dated 28 August. Service report of respondent number 2 has been received back after served. Unserved notice of R1 has been received back with postal remark, not found at house, hence returned to sender.
I have not seen the order. Yes.
Is this the manner the cases are conducted in the High Court? It is for you to address the court. It is for you to assist the court.
Yes.
It is not for this court to look for the office notes and indicate what is to be done to the councils. It is sheer waste of judicial time. Yes, what is to be done? Are you going to take fresh steps?
Yes, my lord.
Your name?
PR Das, my lord.
Lekha. BR?
Das.
Mr. B.R. Das, learned counsel, appearing on behalf of the appellant, seeks 2 weeks' time to take fresh steps on our respondent number 1. Stop. Prayer allowed. List after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. Tar upor likhi diba. Office note dated 28/8/2024 indicates that service in respect of respondent number 2 is complete. Stop. Further, the said office note indicates that unserved notice of respondent number 1 has been received back with postal remark within single quotes, not found at house, comma, hence returned to sender. Tarpisat in view. Yes, Mr. Das.
My lord, in this case, my lord, we have filed
Delay.
this case. Delay. There is a delay, my lord. But series of cases, my lord, already passed order, my lord. By condoning the delay, my lord, thereafter also.
So, is state the only party? Who is appearing for R1 and R2?
Yes, my lord. My learned friend is appearing, my lord.
Mr. Bhattacharya, you are appearing for
I'm
3.
appearing for the respondents.
Three.
Yes.
3. And what about 1 and 2?
1 and 2 railway.
Where
have
are
not
they?
done.
If the railway council was here, I could have considered
Yes,
your
my lord.
application, Mr. Das.
Today itself.
But they are not
But
there.
they are not present. So I'll serve copy to railway station.
First time.
First time, my lord. Today.
All right. Heard Mr. B.C. Das, learned.
H. Das, my lord.
Sorry. Heard Mr. H. Das, learned counsel for the applicant. Stop. Also heard Mr.
Okay, but
K.
for the respond, KK Bhattacharya for the
KK, right?
KK Bhattacharya
KK Bhattacharya
for the
for
respondent.
respondent number 3. Stop. This is an application seeking condonation of delay for filing the accompanying land appeal.
Yes.
Land appeal.
Land appeal.
Land appeal. Stop.
Land acquisition.
Land acquisition appeal.
Appeal.
Stop. Issue notice. Returnable 4 weeks. Mr. KK Bhattacharya. Bhattacharya.
Bhattacharya YY.
Bhattacharya, YY, huh? Bhattacharya accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 3, extra copies within the course of the day. Registered post AD 1 and 2. List after so and so. On a date to be fixed by the registry. Returnable little piece. Dipcho, তুমি যেটা লিটলি জগৈ নেকি সি ভিতৰত কৰি ল'ব পাৰিব Yes.
I has been filed for condonation of delay. 234 days delay, my lord. Notice will be
First day,
first day.
same. Eki order, huh? Accompanying MAC appeal hobo. Okay?
Obliged, Your Honor.
Yes. খালি ইয়াত ৰেছপণ্ডেণ্ট কোনো নাই উকিল সেইকাৰণে সব ৰেজিষ্টাৰ পোষ্ট থাকিব আৰু 13 none appears for the applicant when called list after 4 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry all done